Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make some Haitian fried chicken. So for this I'm using some chicken drumsticks. You don't have to use drumsticks, you can use any part of the chicken that you like. I have a video up on this channel showing you guys how I clean my chicken before cooking it. I will leave that link for that video down in the description box for you guys to check out. And I'll be using 1 lime, which I will be cutting in 2 and saving about 2 teaspoons of that fresh juice. And I have 1 Maggie cube that I'll be using. If you don't like Maggie cube, please just leave it out and use salt instead. And I have 4 cups of water. And I have some parsley and thyme tied together with a piece of cooking twine. And I have 1 tomato. I have a piece of bell pepper poked with some cloves. And I have 2 tablespoons of Haitian spice, which I also have a video up on this channel showing you guys how I make this. I will leave that link for that video down in the description box as well. And you need some oil to fry your chicken, and of course some salt and pepper. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, I have my stove set to medium high. Now you want to go ahead and take your seasoning and mix it in. Coat every piece of your chicken. Just like this. I left the skin of my chicken in because I think it helps when I fry it, even though it will pop a little more, but it keeps the chicken really nice and moist when I fry it. But you don't have to eat the skin if you don't want. And now to that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my Maggie cube. And I'm going to add my spices, my jalapeno, not jalapeno, my bell pepper, and then my tomatoes and my parsley. And I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lime juice and some salt, about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Of course you want to taste your food. And now I'm going to add my 4 cups of water and kind of mix that in. Now you are going to cook this for about 25 minutes until your chicken are done. You don't want them to be cooked to the point where they are falling off the bone because we are going to fry them. So cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I went ahead and put some oil in this pot, and the oil is nice and hot now. And I remove my chicken from the pot just so the water can drain out a little bit. And you want to place your chicken in the hot oil. I'm going to put about maybe 5 to 6 pieces at a time just so my chicken can have room to fry. I have so many videos showing you guys how I fry chicken, but I always use the fried chicken to put in a gravy or some sort. I don't really have a video with the title of Haitian fried chicken. So you guys wanted me to do a fried chicken video with the title, so when you guys search Haitian fried chicken, so that video can come up. So this is why I'm doing this video. If you haven't, please go like my Facebook page and come follow me on Instagram. Come snap with me on Snapchat and go follow me on Twitter as well. I will leave the link for those videos down in the description box for you guys to check out. Not video, the link for those social medias down in the description box for you guys to check out. So I'm going to allow this to fry until it's a nice, beautiful golden brown color. Make sure you keep an eye on it and be careful, guys, because this is very, very hot oil. Okay, this set of chicken is pretty much done. As you can see, it is fried to this beautiful golden brown color. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those. And I have a pan that I lined up with some paper towel. just so it can drain some of that oil out. So go ahead and remove these steps, and then I'm gonna continue frying the rest. Okay, my fried chicken is all done. As you can see, it has that beautiful color to it. I'll try to cut into one. It's still nice and juicy, even though it's nice and crispy. I'll taste a piece. The amount of salt in there is perfect to me. But like I said, you guys control your own salt that you put in your food. And this here will do it for this video, guys. I do have other videos, like I said, of chicken. I have a Haitian stew chicken, and I have Haitian hot wings that I just put out. So please check out those videos, guys. And please share the channel with everybody you know. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like again, and please do share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.